Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn a very unique trick of Power Query, which is an important function of Excel. In this example, we have the three different sheets which includes the employee detail. In the first sheet we have the employee ID and the first and last name. In the second sheet we have the employee ID, title and date of hire. And in the third, we have the ID, department, and the salary. So, what we need to do, we need to create a simple Excel sheet which includes all the details in a single sheet. Like we want employee ID and the remaining columns in the single sheet. So, what we can do, we can either use a simple function or we can simple or manually insert a new sheet and copy all the columns. This is the one way. But if we have the big data, so how we can use this type of trick? So to do this, first we need to go here in the new sheet, and in the new sheet what we need to do, we go here in the data tab. In the data tab we go here in the get data, and in the get data you can extract the Excel file in which we have the data. So in our criteria, we have the data in the Power Query lecture form. So I simply select the whole sheet and import here, and it take a little time to processing. Now we have the three sheets. First one is sheet 1. You can see here the interface, second sheet and the third sheet. Now if we need to select all three sheets, so how we can select? We simply click here, select multiple sheets, and here we got the data. We have select all three sheets and now click on the transform data. Now the processing, and then we got this type of interface. Now we have all three sheets. Now we need to merge all these sheets. So how we can merge? You can either merge in the existing sheet or you can create a new sheet as well. So how you can create? We go here in this merge queries. In the merge queries, you can see here merge option. Merge option will help us to merge in the existing sheet. But if you want to merge in the new one, so you can use this type of, or we can use merge queries as new. So I just select here merge queries new, and here we need the data from sheet 1 and we want sheet 2. Select employee ID here and the select employee ID here. You can see here we got the tick, it means okay, and here okay option occurs. So we simply press here, so you can see here we got the merge data. Now I want the data of this sheet 3 in the existing one. So how we can do here, we simply again go here, but this time we don't click on merge queries. We want merge queries in the existing. So select here. Now we want merge 1 employee ID, and then we want to merge here from sheet 3. So again select the same employees. Now press here OK. So you can see here we got the data in the existing sheet. So you can also change the name like complete sheet. I have changed the name. Now what we want, we take here, and here we have the multiple options. So we only want job title and date of hire. So you can see here we got this one. Now from here we want only department and the salary. We got here the data. So this way we have completed our sheets. Now if you want to make the formatting, so how you can do here, select the cell, and here we have multiple options. Like you want to change into text, you can do here, and here want to change into currency, so how you can change, you go here and they change into currency. We have multiple tricks and multiple options. Now after completing the sheet, we need to extract here, or we need to extract in the sheet. So how we can use, here we have the option, but if you want to change the heading, so you can double click on it and you can change the heading. Now if I again change the heading from here, you can change from the existing. Now department you can change, and from sheet you can change here salary. So we got the data in a single sheet. So now we need to simply use it, close and load through. Now we got the data. Now again, okay. So it is processing, and after processing it gives us the results here. Now you can see here we got the complete data in a single table. Now if you want to work on this table, you can work, like if you want to work on the existing sheet, we can use here. Now I just change the data here. I can change the currency formatting here this way. So in this way, we got the single Excel sheet, and then you can delete all the sheets if you want to. In this way, we have completed the data, or we have completed the function of Power Query, which help us to merge these multiple sheets into a single one. Thank you.